Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write a prompt in Instagram Notes. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open your Instagram application here and then you will be redirected to the home page. So what you can do is just simply tap on this message icon in the top right. You will be able to see the message icon. Just click on it and here you will be see all your messages. So in order to add a prompt to your notes, what you can do is just simply click on this your note here, and you can see I have not shared any note yet, but if I click on it I will be redirected to this interface. So when you are here you have to tap on this question mark here and then you can see you can write a prompt here. Now I'm going for this best film here and then I'm going for Mission Impossible, and then you can add the music here as well, or if you tap on this share here you will see this is the prompt here. If you tap on it, and this is the answer or the response. So this is the prompt best film, and then as you can see the Mission Impossible. So now my followers, whoever is following me, would be able to just click on this and they will be able to see my prompt response to my note. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to write a prompt in Instagram Notes. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.